Hi, my name is Rick, and in this video we'll go over our first solo from the pentatonic scale guitar solo trainer. So let's go to page 7 and also take out your fretboard chart and pattern guide number 1. Our practice song will start on a C chord. That means your root note will be a C. So we'll line up our red root note markers on C notes on the fretboard chart, and that'll give us this area to play from the open strings or the nut to the 4th fret. Now you can play all 12 of these notes to make a solo or just a few. In our practice, we're just going to use the 5 notes in the white box and play them 4 times each. So let's see where they're at. We'll name the notes one by one. On string 1, the thinnest string, we have an F and then a G. On string 2, we have C and E flat. And on string 3, just a B flat. Now we'll play this in the form of a solo using the notes 4 times each. So if you look down at the bottom of the page, we read the notes left to right and down like a paragraph. We'll play track 5 and listen for the 4 counts before we start so we know how fast or slow to play. Are you ready? Get your guitar. There'll be a few seconds delay. Two, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, very good. You can rewind and replay this as many times as you'd like. Otherwise, we'll go on to track 6, which is the same practice, only a little faster. So we'll listen for the 4 counts and then play along. Ready? Here we go. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How did you do? You can rewind and replay this as many times as you'd like. Otherwise, in our next video, we're going to move up the fretboard slightly using pattern 2 with the same root note. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next video. Bye for now.